Hello guys, Abis here. Let me show you the installation of Shorewall firewall, the one I use in Debian 12, so the one I use in general. So let's install it first. Install Shorewall. Yes, cool. Now let's find the examples. So we can use like find. I remember that somewhere in user folder. Then I'm looking for type directory and name Shorewall. Okay, so yeah, this is the one. Zero share doc Shorewall. This one. So let's go there and examples, yeah, and let's grab the normal one, the standard one interface. So the files we need, well, in our current directory, if I list it, so see Shorewall, we don't have necessary files like interfaces are missing. So let's copy interfaces, and we need policy, and we need roles, and then we need zones. Yeah, that's all. And copy that all. Try to see Shorewall. Yep. Now let's go there. Yes. Now you can see that the files are copied, and let's check the interfaces first. Okay. So cool. Apart from that thing here, this one, and we need the actual interface. So let's another tab and check our IP address, but I need the interface. So here, this is the interface here. You may have more different ones, but usually if you just consider one, or if you have Wi-Fi, you can include Wi-Fi as well. So let's grab this one and insert it here. Okay, cool. Network, yeah, this is correct. The next one, I'm going to check policy. So this variable here, do I actually need it? Just firewall. So basically firewall to network. So our computer have access to everything, like for the network accept, and all the requests from the network to everything drop. Yeah, that's what we want. That's cool. And all reject and log. Okay, cool. So this is done. Next one, rules. Let's see the rules. Default roles are okay. In general, you can comment out something if you don't need that. So valid drop map to firewall TCP, the drop down, ping drop. Yeah, that's cool. Accept TCP, firewall to net. I don't think so, but we need that one. Because I have policy already, and all that is kind of accepted anyway. Yeah, let's come down. So should we need that? Just this one. On drop net. valid state, by firewall, and at all. Yeah, if you want some, I don't know, maybe you have some web server or something running, then you can write something like accept from network, and then you specify destination, so in that case firewall, and yeah, let's make some room. Yeah, firewall, then you specify protocol, TCP, and 10 ports, like 80, you need 80 for HTTP, and 443 for HTTPS. So this is what would you write. Right, but I don't need that, so cool. So this one is okay, and the last one, zones. Firewall, yep, and net, yeah, that's correct. If you have more, then you'll have more like I don't know, maybe local network or something. Anyway, so that's also good. So now let's start it. Start. Yeah, all good, it's working. Let me try to grab some file from my other machine, and let's check here. Journal, follow journal. Yeah, see, I already have yeah, the kernel messages that is blocked. Like source IP address, this is IP address of my current machine that was blocked, dropped. So yeah, that's cool, it's working. And let's say, let me quickly try something. So that if we change the rule here, actually uncommented it, so we now allow port 80. Start. Yes, journal. Okay, and I will try again. Get some file, but as you can see, there is nothing. And on my system, I have this refused because there is nothing running on this port, but the firewall not preventing anything from not stopping. Okay, anyway, so now the last thing you need to do is to make sure that the Shorewall will start actually at the boot. So default Shorewall, you have to put here 1. Good. And then last thingy. Let's make sure that the server is actually enabled. And yep, now it stays active even after you reboot your system. So that's it. See you guys.